The open road awaits, calling out to those with a spirit of adventure and a desire to explore the unknown. Embracing the freedom of solo budget travel is about more than just seeing new places. It's about discovering yourself in the process. Traveling solo on a budget is an incredible way to see the world. It allows you to immerse yourself in different cultures, meet new people, and experience life from a fresh perspective. It can be a truly liberating experience, giving you the freedom to make your own decisions and follow your own path without the constraints of group travel. You get to choose your own adventure. Whether it's hiking through lush forests, exploring bustling cities, or relaxing on serene beaches, the choice is entirely yours. Go where you want to go. The world is your oyster, and every destination holds the promise of new experiences and memories waiting to be made. See what you want to see. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, you have the freedom to create your own itinerary and explore at your own pace. Do it all at your own pace. There's no rush, no pressure to keep up with others. You can take your time to truly savor each moment and fully immerse yourself in the experience. Many people think solo travel is expensive. They imagine it requires a hefty budget and endless resources. But it doesn't have to be. With careful planning and a bit of creativity, you can stretch your budget and make the most of every dollar. With a little planning, you can have amazing experiences without spending a lot of money. Researching affordable destinations, finding budget-friendly accommodations, and seeking out free or low-cost activities can make a huge difference. Traveling on a budget lets you travel longer and see more of the world. By cutting unnecessary expenses, you can extend your journey and explore multiple destinations. You learn to be resourceful and independent. Budget travel often requires you to think on your feet, adapt to new situations, and find creative solutions to challenges. These are valuable skills you can use in all parts of your life. The confidence and self-reliance you gain from solo budget travel can translate into other areas, making you more adaptable and resilient. Are you ready to take the plunge? The journey of solo budget travel is not just about the destinations you visit, but also about the personal growth and transformation you experience along the way. Solo budget travel will challenge you and reward you in ways you never imagined. The sense of accomplishment and the memories you create will stay with you for a lifetime. Let's explore how to make it happen. From planning your trip to making the most of your budget, we'll guide you through the steps to embark on your own solo adventure. So pack your bags, grab your map, and get ready to embrace the freedom of solo budget travel. The world is waiting for you. Your home away from home budget-friendly accommodation options. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean you have to sacrifice comfort or convenience. In fact, there are numerous ways to find affordable places to stay that offer unique experiences and a chance to meet fellow travelers. Finding affordable accommodation is key to budget travel. Luckily, there are plenty of options that won't break the bank. From hostels to couch surfing and guest houses to budget hotels, the choices are vast and varied. Each option has its own set of benefits, catering to different types of travelers and their specific needs. Hostels are a fantastic choice for solo travelers. They offer dorm-style rooms or private rooms at budget-friendly prices. Hostels are not just about saving money. They are also about the experience. Many hostels have common areas where travelers can socialize, share stories, and even cook meals together. This creates a sense of community and can lead to lifelong friendships. Some hostels also organize events and tours, making it easier to explore the local area. Another great option is couch surfing. This involves staying with locals for free. It's a fantastic way to meet people and experience a destination like a resident. Couch surfing allows you to immerse yourself in the local culture, as your hosts can provide insider tips and recommendations that you won't find in guidebooks. It's also a great way to practice a new language or learn about different customs and traditions. Websites and apps connect you with hosts who are happy to open their homes to travelers. These platforms often have reviews and ratings, so you can choose a host that fits your preferences and comfort level. Safety is a priority, and many couchsurfing communities have measures in place to ensure a secure and enjoyable experience for both hosts and guests. Don't forget about guest houses. These are smaller, often family-run establishments that offer a more personal touch than large hotels, often at a fraction of the cost. Guest houses can provide a cozy and homely atmosphere, making you feel like part of the family. They often include breakfast and other amenities, adding value to your stay. Plus, the hosts are usually very knowledgeable about the local area and can offer great advice on what to see and do. Websites and apps make it easy to compare prices, read reviews, and book your stay. With just a few clicks, you can find the perfect accommodation that fits your budget and preferences. Many platforms also offer last-minute deals and discounts, so it's worth checking regularly. Reading reviews from other travelers can give you a better idea of what to expect and help you make an informed decision. Booking in advance can also save you money and ensure you get the best possible rate. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean you have to miss out on the best experiences. By choosing budget-friendly accommodations, you can save money to spend on other aspects of your trip, like trying local cuisine, visiting attractions, or taking part in activities. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a family, there's a budget-friendly option out there for you. So start planning your next adventure and discover the world without breaking the bank. Remember, the key to a successful budget trip is flexibility and an open mind. Embrace the adventure, meet new people, and create unforgettable memories. Happy travels! Travels. Taste the world, savoring local flavors without breaking the bank. Food is an important part of experiencing a new culture, but eating out for every meal can quickly deplete your budget. Seek out local markets and street food stalls. They offer delicious and affordable meals. Another money-saving tip is to cook your own meals. If you're staying in a hostel or guest house with a kitchen, take advantage of it. Grocery stores are your friend. Stock up on breakfast items, snacks, and ingredients for simple meals. Pack a reusable water bottle and refill it whenever possible. This will save you money and reduce plastic waste. Adventures on a budget-free and low-cost activities for the solo explorer. You don't need to spend a fortune to have incredible experiences. Many destinations offer a wealth of free or low-cost activities. Explore parks, gardens, and historical sites. Most cities have free walking tours that provide an overview of the main attractions. Take advantage of free museum days or discounted admission times. Check out local events, festivals, and markets. These offer a taste of local culture and are often free to attend. Don't underestimate the simple joys of people watching in a bustling square or relaxing on a scenic beach. These experiences cost nothing and can be incredibly enriching.